Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Interviews are done, conversion results are out. You have dunya bhar ka free time and lots of anxiety before your college gates are open to let you in. Sounds familiar, right? Well, why not? I have you covered up with how can you utilize this free time and do something productive before your college starts. All of those steps are going to help you in a long run. The most important thing in your B school is your resume. Trust me, resume तुम्हारे सारी qualities का trademark है. And CV की तैयारी needs to be started much before your college starts. So now the question is how? Start collecting all your resume proofs. यहाँ पे हर एक word और हर एक sentence का proof होना जरूरी है. So make sure that whatever point you are putting in your resume, you have the exact proof needed for it. You need proof for every trivial things like your college or school rankings, even for your CGPA to percentage conversion, because lots of schools nowadays have started giving CGPAs instead of percentage and etc. And for people who have work experience, you need to have proof of all your work experience points word by word. So for sample, I present you my CV and here is the section of work experience. So you can see how I have collected all my resume points and every word matches from the email of my manager to the CV where I have put all the points. So सारी proofs आपको अपने school, work organization, internship organization से लेनी है and make sure that you have collected all those proofs through a valid email ID. That is, you should not get your proofs from a person who is sending you all the proof points through his personal Gmail account. So you need to have a valid domain ID address. Now comes the second point, that is majority of people are interested in either finance or consulting. Or for finance people, especially engineers who has had zero work experience or zero experience in finance literally, you need to get yourself enrolled in any of the finance courses. You can take the enrollment in any of the Coursera or Udemy courses. Some of the important topics of finance basics are accounting, valuations, and if you are really interested in hardcore IB, then you must also learn some of the basics of operations and derivatives. Also, doing certification courses like CFA or FRM helps you in a long run. So anyways, you have to do the courses so that you are, at an edge over all other candidates if you especially want to get into finance as your career. So the key of doing all of these courses is not to put in your resume, because in most of the colleges, they do not even validate the courses which are done through Coursera or Udemy to be put on resume, but to upskill yourself. So the point is, in B school, there are people from various diversity. So there are many people who already, have had an experience in finance, either in terms of work experience or they have done UG in finance degree. So obviously they are like one step ahead of you. And if you really want to compete with them, you need to have some understanding of the basics. Finance is a subject which is very different from, marketing or product management. Here you actually need a core foundation, which I believe, because I was an engineer and I really faced little difficulty in understanding the finance which was taught in our classes later on. So you really need to have some sort of basic understanding of finance. Plus, it also helps you, in your year 1 and year 2 where you would be taking up finance as your elective. And for the ones who are interested in consulting, you can form a group of 3 to 4 members and you can start solving cases. This group of 3 to 4 members will not only be helpful in solving the cases, but आगे भी where you would be needing a team of 3 to 4 members for case competitions. So you will already have an edge over other teams where you can have mutual understanding and easy communication, which you would have built over 2 to 3 months of interaction. So it is advisable to make a team of 3 to 4 members from your same college only. Start solving guesstimates from the POV of consulting interviews and also from the POV of case competition. So a lot of case competition are generally inclined towards marketing strategy, and guesstimates really help you in making a slide which is solely responsible for marketing research. Also, do not hesitate to learn some consulting frameworks and consulting jargons. Now, networking is a key differentiating factor if you compare B schools with other colleges in India. So you really need to leverage this thing. Start networking with other B school mates or people from your same college. Also start networking with your seniors and super seniors through LinkedIn. You can also start networking with your college super seniors who will be relatively free just like me, or you can start interacting with your college seniors who will not be as free as us, but do not expect a quick reply from them because they would be undergoing their summer internship. Now when it comes to fueling your passion, I highly believe that you should actually start reading books of your own interest. If I tell you my case, I was really interested in marketing from the very start. So I started reading the OG books of marketing. I would mention this book somewhere in the video. Lastly, enjoy the time which you have, because zindagi na milegi dobara. And once B school starts, you will really do not have time to be at peace. I hope all these tips were really helpful, and if you really like the video, please give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also, if you want any other kind of content from me, do not hesitate to comment down. That's all for today. Thank you.